Previously on My Unfaithful Wife.
I'm surprised bwana uko hapa unafanya nini?
No. I just came to chill and have maybe have a peace of mind. I'm here.
By the way, how is your relationship doing?
I'm in a relationship with myself.
Come on, man. Hey.
You know, you're my friend and I don't have to lie to you. I lost everything and I don't see anything working between me and her. Nothing out of that.
Check it. Yeah. Tafuta mwingine hawacha hizi story. Kama huyo imekuwa nini? Tafuta mwingine bwana.
These people, they're just the same. You see, even on my back, I have a tattoo written the term.
Kuna idea, by the way. Kuna dem fulani ufanya huko tao. Unaona hapo Southern House. Hapo karibu na Jivanji. Wacha naenda kumtafuta. Huyo dem kwanza hata pamu hawezi fikia. Yeye na Mungu ni hapa. Unajua pamu alikuwa anagonga kidogo. Lakini yeye na Mungu hapa. Changamuka bwana. Alitoka na Isamiti. Toka na Isamiti.
I'll give it a benefit of doubt. And see how it goes. But I live now. I'm a bit low and down.
Unfaithful one, she has no remorse. She cheats with my friend, she cheats with her doctor. She doesn't spare even a pastor. Unfaithful one, I still love her. What should I do? I'm lost, my friend. What shall I do? Tell me now. Man, faith.